Hey, good morning everybody. Today is April 14th, 2021, and we are going to be taking a look at gold, silver, the S&P 500, and Bitcoin. Alright, looking over at gold, gold is still being rejected and consolidating below this yellow line. It also looks like the 50-period moving average is still acting as resistance until we move into either a position down here on the midpoint of the channel or we break above this yellow line. There is no movement there's no change, in my opinion, on the chart. Going over to silver. Silver is looking good. Silver is trying to wick out of this resistance cluster right here at this 30-period moving average, and I think you can get to the 50. I think we have the potential to get there. Going to the weekly, we did have a falling wedge that we broke out of, so that's bullish. Looks like the bottom came 3 candles early on the DeMark system. But this is a nice reversal candle on the weekly to 6. So as soon as the 7 started trading above here, that was like perfect. But the 9 did come, the bottom did come 2 candles early on the daily as well. We did manage to hit down here on this. There we go. I think that's about as good as it gets. So, silver's looking good. I'm more bullish on silver. I think the $26 range is coming sooner rather than a pullback to 22 at this moment. Going over to the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is kind of just consolidating, but still making new highs as we're going up. This is unfortunately something I'm getting a little concerned with. Hopefully we pull back down to this line and we don't start making this move up until the end of next month. Because if we go a full month going on this trajectory, that's probably going to cause a pretty big downturn. All right, going over to Bitcoin, and I'm still bullish on the S&P 500. I'm going to be bullish on the S&P 500 until we break on this line, and I'm going to be very bullish as long as we are above this line. All right, going over to the daily on Bitcoin. The daily on Bitcoin is looking pretty good. We did have a pullback so far, but to me this just looks like a nice little back test of back here. So we had our breakout, we hit 64. Perfect, what I wanted. Now we came back and we back tested basically 62, which is exactly what I wanted to see. This flash crash right here was an amazing back touch of this previous all-time high. And so now I'm expecting more upside. I also see that we're on the RSI. It looks like we're, as long as we stay above this 42 range, so if we bounce from here, like if this this is the last candle that's going down, and our next this is a 1 hour? Yeah, the 4 hour, my bad. As long as this 4 hour candle is good, but the 1 hour has bottomed. So let's put that into perspective. The 1 hour is bottoming, in my opinion, in the bullish trend, and I don't think we're going to close this candle right here. But let's go back to the 4 hour because that's more important to me. The 4 hour hasn't given you a short trade. You did have a 9, so look at this. You topped on a 9. It was a sell-off 9, still a bullish 9. We've had a 1, 2. This is a 2 out of 4 candle correction, and we may be over. Depending on where this closes. If this closes with a bullish body up into this area, I am expecting us to start going back up and making new all-time highs again. So that's everything I have to talk about for today. The indicators are all positive in my opinion, and the price is at all-time highs. So this is breakout season. Let's enjoy it. Alrighty. Have a good day, everybody. Bye for now.